Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about preparing seasonal items.
So, no matter what season you're in, currently you can be preparing for the next season of items. And if you get started a little late, you're probably most likely going to be a bit behind the trend or the curve. But that's okay. Even if you're starting late, you can get those items ready for next year and then have a good stockpile for when next year hits.
Yeah, definitely. Perhaps they'll come into popularity off-season and it'll just happen to be some random off-the-wall thing that ends up working out for you anyhow.
Yeah, and so say right now, we're heading into spring. You would like to take and go ahead and start forging more, summer-oriented items is one of the things that you might want to take and start doing and think about doing. And those can be a whole host of items for the blacksmith and a lot of like campfire stuff, camping things. And the great thing about those items, unless it's a campfire tripod and stuff like that, if it's like fire pokers and shovels and things like that, those can also be technically considered home and hearth for the winter as well. So if you're stocking up and boning up on these items in your website or on your online store or wherever you're at, this is a great time to do that.
Yeah, also another summer type item is anniversary gifts. And there's a whole wide range you can do on that. You can be as creative as you want to. But that is something you can think about as well, as we're getting ready to go into spring.
Yeah, and then, come wintertime, a lot of people like to buy smaller items, giftable items, and so you may want to start thinking about, turning your focus towards that once you're into winter. When you're officially into the fall, starting to get into the winter season, that's when you really want to start marketing towards Christmas. If you need a good figure about when to do that, just go to your local Walmart. Your local Walmart or department store, they start changing out stuff, even though annoyingly as it may seem like they're trying to push you through the season, they start doing all these changes because they're wanting to take and hit the peak of the buying season. And so once they start changing up for fall, you need to start changing up for fall.
Yeah, which will be about 2 months before the actual holiday, which means probably about a month prior to that you're actually going to want to be in the forging process.
Yeah, and and that's just a quick tip. I don't know if anybody else has used that tip before as far as marketing seasonal items, but it's a great way. They spend a lot of money on demographic research.
Yeah, they do.
Yep. Well, that's it for this 3 Minute 3. We hope you all enjoyed this video.
We appreciate you watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.